Oh my God.
Sasha, you're so cute.
So here we go. It's been 2 weeks of frigid temperatures and ice storms and blizzards and just trying to make it through day to day, basically. We haven't been so unlucky that we've lost power or been unable to get out of the house or anything like that, but it's just sort of been like, why do we want to leave the house? Basically, it's been so cold. We haven't really wanted to do much of anything. So I've been out to Dad's a couple of times. We did have practice over the weekend, and that was really good for everybody. I think it lifted everybody's spirits quite a bit. But we've been out of school, and even Ted's work has not been having him work simply because the road conditions are too dangerous to drive on. So we've just kind of been making do with what we can lately. Referring back to your last video, minus 10 degrees Celsius is about 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and minus 15 Celsius is about 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's right about where we've been for the last week or so. It's cool you said you're looking for a car now, and it kind of makes me wonder, like, are you getting one to go to work in? Or are you getting one to do more traveling? Because I know you really liked your commute. You know, you've shown me your commute to work so many different times on the train or like riding your bike or, pretending to ride your horse, all that sort of good stuff. Anyway, here's Penny. She's been doing her best to keep warm during this crazy cold snap that we've been having here, and I will leave you with her. Bye, Kelly. See you next week.